Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 182. A rectangular photo has a width of 5 inches and a length of 7 inches. If the width is enlarged to 12 inches, how much is its length now? So there is two methods to solve for this one. The first method is the directly proportional. So directly proportional method, you can watch carefully in TSI question numbers 34. The video number 34, and you can watch and take note from it. Directly proportional method said if x increase, then y increase, x decrease, then y decrease. Okay, so one variable is increasing, then another one will be increasing with the same factors. Okay, so let's working on this. So we have the width is 5, and then we have the length is 7 inches. Okay, so now the width it become 12. So what is the length? So as we know that from 5 to 12, that increasing. Where it increasing, we do the multiplications. So 5 multiply 12 over 5 to get 12. So the thing is we have the new one, okay, is 12, that equal 5 times, let's say constant k. This is the factor of increasing factor, okay. So we want to solve for k. We divide both sides by 5. Then we have k is equal to 12 over 5. So the w increase 12 over 5 times, so the length will increase the same thing, 12 over 5. So the length now we can write down as 7 times 12 over 5, which is 5 at the bottom, 7 times 12. 7 times 2 is 14, write 4, remember 1. 7 times 1 is 7, remember 1 is 8. So 84 over 5. So B is the correct answer. The second method we use is kind of, let's call it like the conversions method or the ratio method. For the ratio method, you can say you have 5 to 7, that equal to 12 to the new length. So at the top, the ratio of the width to the length is never changed. Okay, so the new one, okay, let's say this is the old one, and the new one you have the Wn over Ln. So this is Ln, like the new one. Okay, so how we solve for this? We kind of multiply Ln for both sides. So that you can cancel the Ln on this side. Now we continue to multiply 7 both sides. so that we can cancel the 7 on the left side. So we have 5 ln that equal 12 times 7. And we know 12 times 7 is 84. So we divide both sides by 5 to isolate the ln. So the new L will be 84 over 5. Okay, the bonus method. You can just set up, we have 5 from the width to 7 for the length. Okay, so now if it's 12 from the width, how much it will be to the length. So we use the method of cross multiply, divide by the rest. So we cross multiply, so we have the question mark that equal 12 times 7, then we divide by the rest. It's 5 right here, so we still have 84 out of 5. This is like the quick method to solve for most problem in this test, so it's helpful. However, we'll need to be careful when we set up this method. If we have the same unit, I call the same unit because it may be like the letters. In this case, it's the width on one side and then the length on another side. You cannot kind of like miss the first argument to the second one. Okay, you cannot miss them. So if the first one you stay the width first, the length is the second column, then the second row right here we just have to do the same thing, the width first, then the length. Or if you want, you can do 7 is the length, to 5 for the width, and then we're asking for the length, then we have 12 for the width. You can do like this and the answer is the same as long as the length on one side and then the width on another side. See that? It has to be the same unit, the same thing on one columns. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.